With a big number 9 for Miss Heidi Kane. What a great picture right there. Happy birthday, Heidi. She is in Richards.
All right, and Colby Smith is celebrating birthday number 13. Welcome to the teenage years. Colby and Dunwig with love from Mom and Dad.
Hey, we got one of the Heights with a birthday. It is Miss Madison. Party on as she celebrates her 21st. Happy birthday, Madison in Frontenac.
All right, all your family and friends are wishing you a happy 31st. Kayla Weisinger in Wyandotte. Happy birthday, Kayla.
And we got a milestone for Ann Keller. A happy 40th birthday to Ann. She's in McCune.
All right. Glenda Darnell Kyler celebrating birthday number 48 this year in Dunwig. Birthday wishes coming from Darren, Colby, Skylar, and the CST crew. Happy birthday,
what is
Glenda.
the CST crew?
I don't know. That's
Glenda, I don't know what the CST crew is, but if you extend me an invitation, I don't know if I'm allowed to be in the crew. I don't know. But I want to know what the CST crew is and if I can join and how I join. Art Small has an 80th birthday. Happy birthday to you, Mr. Small. He's in Neodesha.
And Ron Trim celebrating a birthday in Thayer, Kansas. I hope it's a great one, Ron. Happy birthday.
Got an anniversary to pass along. It is Tom and Jenny Claflin. Tom and Jenny celebrating 61 years. Congratulations to the Claflins who are in Sheldon.
I love that picture. Oh, that's awesome. Congratulations, Claflins. And let's see, we've got another birthday. Randy Alsup is now 63 years old in Crestline. Hope it's a great one,
That's
Randy.
sweet all to himself right there. I like that. All right, happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. Here's where you send them in. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com. Or if you prefer, if it's easier for you, you can go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com/birthdays. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
From the Skywatch Storm Tracker, a